Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to come on and go over some products that I bought from Sephora, Ulta, Target, and Walmart. I've also been using an app called Yuka lately. So it's not just, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but it's not just for skin products or makeup. I mean, it's for food and everything, and I've been using it. And there's been several times that I've taken a snapshot of the food or snack, and it goes right back on the shelf because it goes from 0 to 100, letting you know if the product is good for you. And ashamed to say, there's been some products that had like a 0 on the app. So it also gives you like a breakdown of what's in the food or in the product that causes it to get that rating. So it's a free app. I really love it, and it's Yuka. Oh, and it'll give you recommendations on what is a better option as far as what you're trying to get. So I have my family using it, friends, and nobody has complained about, using the app, but everybody really loves the app and they use it regularly. So we'll be in Target or wherever, just like scanning things and be like beep, beep. But it's really cool. So let's get on to what I picked up. Okay, so the first stop that I made, and it's kind of like a mini haul, kind of a mini Sephora unboxing.
Hey guys, Editing Me here. I've created a free beginner's makeup ebook. I'm giving it away to the community for free. It's for anyone who's a beginner learning the ropes of makeup, or for those who just kind of want a quick refresher. Details are in the description section below. So let's get back to the video.
The first thing that I got was Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure, but it's the 68. And when I smelled it in the store, I fell in love with it. I love it. It's a really light scent. It's a mist, and it's a hair and body mist with notes of Brazilian jasmine and vanilla. And I love vanilla. That's like one of my favorite scents. I have candles. The majority of them are vanilla. It has to be a specific type of vanilla though. And my body butters are vanilla. If I make body butter, I try to find a vanilla oil to put in it to make it smell like kind of vanilla-ish. But yeah, I really love it. So the fragrance family is florals. The scent type is fruity florals. The keynotes are Brazilian jasmine, pink dragon fruit, and sheer vanilla. So the fragrance description is, in Brazil, one essential beauty secret is to be cheirosa, which means is to always smell delicious. Vibrant and unexpected, this fruity floral scent offers a transportive temptation through the abundant sun-dabbled gardens of Rio. This immersive scent is kissed with joy and always inviting. And I like it. Whenever I'm wearing it, like my family members or friends, I make a comment about how good I smell. I've had strangers also do the same thing. So about the fragrance, this fresh, bright floral scent invites you into Sol de Janeiro's lush gardens by the sea, a sun-dabbled oasis brimming with vibrant floral and dancing with ocean air. So that was taken off of the Sephora website, just kind of describing the scent. So this is it again. This is 68. And I really love it. Second thing, for my birthday, Sephora always offers me like little birthday gifts, and I'll sample and repurchase. Sometimes I don't, because I have so many other products that that are kind of in the stash. So they had given me this little birthday. It's a Sephora Beauty Insider. It's the Ilia brand, and it came with a mascara and with a blush, and I didn't use it until this year. I was just like, I got mascara that I haven't used, so use that up and then use this later. So it just kind of sat on my shelf for probably about 6 months maybe, but I knew that I had it and I knew that I wanted to use it. So I used it all up, and so I went ahead and bought the regular size and it's in the shade At Last, and it is a multi-stick cream blush highlighter and lip tint, and it was $36. So this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love this color. It is just gorgeous. I don't even know if it's picking up well, but it is gorgeous. I love it. I have it on now. I'm still using my little sample size because I got just a little bit left, but I want to go ahead and buy the full size, and it is $36. It's a buildable wash of colors for cheeks and lips. Now in a dewy and luminous finish to instantly wake up the skin. The coverage is light, the finish is radiant, and the formulation is cream. So yeah, I love this. And then Ilia products are clean products. Yeah, I really love this blush. It is gorgeous. Highlight ingredients are shea butter, and that nourishes the skin and creates a creamy texture that melts on contact. Avocado oil, which softens and nourishes the skin with antioxidants and fatty acids. Orange peel wax, which protects and conditions the skin with a breathable feel. Callouts on Sephora's page is this product is cruelty-free. What else you need to know? This creamy multi-use formula melts with the warmth of skin for a fresh, foolproof veil of color anyone can wear. The twist-up stick makes it easy to apply on the go. Just swipe and blend for skin that looks and feels alive. Next thing, and then I'm looking at my laptop because I have notes, of course. So the next thing is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara in After Midnight. It's right here. And it comes in this container. I'm sure if you guys can see that. And it was $28. When I first got the sample, the wand kind of threw me off a little bit. I was just like, this wand is different, because on one side, kind of threw me. I don't know if you can really see it. I hope it focuses. That was. Okay, so like on one side, it has like, you know, more of a linking and separating, and then on the other side, puts on the mascara really well. Kind of, not blends it, but it puts it on well. This is an award-winning clean mascara that lengthens, lifts, and separates. Now with more plant-friendly packaging. Highlighted ingredients are keratin, the hair care hero that helps fortify and reinforce lashes from within. Organic shea butter. It's weightlessly conditions and adds a soft, flexible feel. Beeswax. It helps seal in moisture for nourished, healthy looking lashes. I have been wearing lashes kind of off and on, doing them myself and using a glue. I do better with the individual lashes as opposed to the strips. But for the health of my lashes, I just decided to just start using mascara as much as I can. I'll do lashes like on special occasions or events or something. But some of the glues I was very sensitive to, because my body is just sensitive to certain things. So I was having kind of an allergic reaction to the glue. So I stopped doing them. And then, you know, I wanted my lashes to be, they've never been like really thick because I don't have really thick lashes, but I just wanted them to be more healthy. And I really love the mascara look. It's not bothering me. I mean, I see people with lashes, I'm like, I miss my lashes, but I'm not gonna go back and start using lashes. Like I said, on special occasions or, you know, maybe like my birthday or something like that, I might try it then. This mascara is a cult favorite. It takes lashes beyond their limits naturally. The dual-sided wand catches every lash for eye-opening length and definition. long-lasting formula, resists clumping, flaking, and smudging. And it's a new, lighter mono material too, reduces carbon emissions by 46% and waste for up to 20%. And this product is an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. So yeah, I really, really love both of these products. I would keep repurchasing them. Now we're going to move on to the Ulta products that I decided to pick up. So along with stopping the lashes or not doing them as often, I also decided to cut back on doing the press-ons. The reason that I've stopped doing the press-ons is because I've started to notice that my nails were not as healthy. They just became really thin, and sometimes getting the nails off was a little difficult, and I just felt like it was kind of like breaking down my natural nail. I felt like that if I was going to go through that process, then I should just go ahead and get my nails done at a salon and get, you know, acrylics, as opposed to, you know, doing them myself. Now, I'm not saying that I will never do them, but at this point, I just want to get my nails healthy. So one of the polishes that stuck out to me was Essie Gel Contour Longer Polish. So it's a two-step gel polish system, and I got it in, and I've used a lot of it, in Sheer Fantasy. And I like the color because it is so sheer and light. I didn't want a really dark color, and for the summer I just wanted something really sheer and light. And then it comes, it's a two-step system, so then it comes with the gel contour top coat, and it's a glossy shine, and each was $13 at Ulta. So I've also seen them at Target, and I'm not sure where else they sell them, but I got mine from Ulta, and I really enjoy this polish. The next store we're going to talk about is Target. I have been looking for a tint, like a skin tint for my face, and I used to use one, gosh, I can't remember the name of the brand, but when I figure it out, I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it. But I was looking for a skin tint in kind of a drugstore-ish kind of skin tint, and so I came across the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint, and I believe it has vitamin C. It does. It has vitamin C included, and this is it. And I got it in the shade 310. I probably should have gotten it in a different shade. I got it in the same shade that I got the Maybelline foundation in, and for some reason this seems a little darker than the foundation. You know, I like the skin tint, but what I don't like is it kind of dries a little fast. So because it dries fast, you have to kind of work a little faster to get it on. And like I said, it's a little darker than I expected it to be, but other than that, I like it. It stays on like it says it stays on. I don't have any problems with it being a skin tint and me having to, you know, reapply or anything like that. And it comes off, you know, really well also, you know, when I'm washing my face or if I'm using like an oil to take off my makeup. So yeah, so this is, I like the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint, and it was $13.99. Like I said, the only thing that kind of, you know, you just got to work fast to get it. I mean, not so fast where, you know, you don't have time to get it done, but it's a little faster, of course, than foundation. And then this is something that I have been looking for. I've been looking for a new lotion. And of course, when I scan everything with Yuka, most lotions come up really low on their scoring system. So I found Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I don't know, it doesn't seem to be focusing, you guys. So sorry about that. But it's a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So it's for dry to normal skin and sensitive skin. And I don't necessarily have dry skin, but I do have sensitive skin. And of course, I like to be moisturized, especially right out the shower. This came up excellent on Yuka app, and it was $14.62 at Target. And I like it. But I also want to look for some more lotions. Not that there's anything wrong with the Cetaphil, but I just want to find more options, you know, as I go along on my trying to do better products for my skin journey. And now we're going to go on to the Walmart products that I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up, and this is very good on the Yuka app as well as being good for your skin. It's the Light Up Sky Night Jasmine and Yuzu Zest Fragrance Body Cream. I don't even know if this is focusing. It doesn't look like it's focusing at all. So sorry you guys, it's not focusing. I don't know what the problem is today. But I like this body cream. I like the scent of it. It's a little different. It's got shea butter and coconut oil in it. But I like it. It's not really like super heavy, but it's not really light. I mean, you can tell that you've used it, and it smells really nice also. It's a lightweight, ultra hydrating hand and body lotion, and at Walmart it was $4.98. So it's made with coconut oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter for long-lasting moisture. It contains notes of night blooming jasmine, yuzu zest, and mysterious musk. It's suitable for all skin types, and it leaves the skin soft, smooth, and deliciously scented. So, you know, I agree. I definitely agree with all of those. I really like it. Yeah, I've had compliments on this scent also. And then the next product, I was so surprised. I scan, like I said, I scan a lot of stuff on Yuka, and I've been scanning edge controls, and a lot of them are not coming up. They're coming really low as far as the rating system, but this one came up really good, and I was really happy that I found it at Walmart. So it's the African Unicorn. You guys may have known about this already, but I didn't know about it. So the African Unicorn Magical Tresses Sparkle Bright Edge and More. It was $6.98, and I like the smell. It's like I've been using it for a minute. It's like a purplish, but it doesn't come up purple, of course, on your edges. It's designed to smooth and slick back ponytails, braids, twist, and control flyaways. It moisturizes with providing excellent hold for all magical styles. Flake-free hold with a radiant shine. Rainbow superfruit infused with raspberry, papaya, apple, and kiwi. Nourishing and natural ingredients. It's kid-friendly and is created for all textures and magical tresses. It's rated excellent on the Yuka app again. So I really liked it. I don't know if I showed you guys how it looks. But yeah, I really like it, and I will be repurchasing this. So you guys, this is my little mini haul and all the things that I've purchased recently, and there will be more hauls to come. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below, guys, what products you've been using. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.